Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about something that will instantly change your kitchen and for the better. So this is a heavy duty counter gap protector. So this is a really beautiful stainless steel. You can see it's all nicely finished. There's no sharp corners or anything like that. Let me show you how easy it is to install and exactly what it does. So guys, right here is that pesky little gap you have between your counter and the oven. This is where Epic QT comes in. It comes really nicely protected so it doesn't have scratches when it arrives. It simply sits in place just like that. And then I have a curved edge on my counter, so I'm just going to go press it up a little bit and done. Simple as that. Now once we peel off the protective coating, you'll see just how fabulous this looks. So there you go. It works perfectly and it fits this kitchen really nicely. The stainless steel works with my oven just fantastically and looks sleek and modern. Guys, I love my Epic stainless steel gap cover, and I know you will too, but that's just my point of view.